Yes.
Bara iminye ngeno fizi y'abana nenshi zamazima jona nyekura orufunjo rwatuganyira munonga
uriye nawe yaza reka tuzikura abari ego agamba ni amasiko yagamba
nk'aba Kigezi region ebibira gitu bikasoka ryaza mu mfunjo ngenu emiti niyo tuhinjira mu mishozi ngenu batya mu rufunjo gicu ino gikora guturakora go kuba ninge turiyo emisiri nimwe butaka bwitu bwazi
kirete twagaruka kuri ngo mu rufunjo ati itaka mararana to Kigezi titwini takerera mara mwancenga kandi entase nyinji turajya mu rufunjo so ngenoimondi nizo zituyambere nico kiratuma twakora kitwagaruka mu rufunjo
mbamanyise ngika Kigezi tutaba urufunjo rutaliho na president ayishirize ngo tuhinge warachakanisa aje mureke baru kana baru anturaga njine rikiriza ngo tuhinga abanyakigezi arampandikira ngomu so ibindagamba ndukwana abantu bitungo bahinge gavana nanda kwana abantu ngo ingo rufunjo ngine impaganda rushira tindi bakandakanisa president Museveni.
For example, we have been doing dairy farming and crop farming. On dairy farming, yes, we have been getting milk from the cows. At the same time, we have been getting meat. So the cows they slaughter here in Kawa, 90% of them are bought from those farms you see in the valleys. And when we come up with a figure, we try to look for the figures, see how much we get in terms of income. Milk alone, milk collected within those farms you see around. In a year, we have come up with a figure, and this figure actually does not include the milk that is consumed in homes. We are only looking at milk that is supplied here in Kabale, in the dairy, where you people who come to work and stay in town, where you buy your milk from. So, and that milk we give you here, we bring from the farm and we sell here in town. It fetches 5.4 billion farmers in those rural farms you see around. 5.4 billion, excluding what is consumed and what is sold. Maybe we can call it illegal. What is sold illegal, because we are talking of the milk we bring, tested and sold to the people. That it fetches 5.4 billion to our farmers, to our households. When you go to milk, to meat, because those farms sometimes the ones you call off layers, the cows that are either the bulls, the off layer, how do you call it? They are called off milkers. They are brought here for slaughtering, and the meat, the amount of money that is fetched from the meat from those cows fetches 16 billion a year.
I think Kigezi have been violated. Kigezi, Bukedia, and Busoga, these are special areas which His Excellency the President has guided how we handle them. One, the President has categorically clearly said these people were misled by other governments to settle down in those wetlands. And many of them are now seeing the badness of staying in the wetlands. Because if the floods come, they don't spare them. But how do we let them come out? Because that is a government directive by then which we must own it as a current government. So the president said they need to be given some package, compensation sort of, so that they move out smoothly. And I'm busy moving around on the directive of His Excellency the President to talk to our development partners to get what package can give them an alternative source of livelihood, so that we don't continue with running battles. If we just force them out of the wetland from growing their rice, which is the source of their livelihood, then what will they do? They will still continue disturbing, and then we shall continue having running battles. We want to remove them smoothly, said, can you leave growing rice in this wetland? We are giving you maybe a cow or some other source of livelihood that you move out of the wetland and then go and start another life. That is a smooth way of doing it, and it is a government policy, a directive of His Excellency the President.
Narishi enterprise, narishi ebihingwa, ebyo kushanga, ebyo kuza tokashanga tuyinjira mugezo areas zempanga. Icyo kubanza harimo ente, kandi ente nizituhamate zituhereze nyama. Icya kabiri twinemu emondi. Icya kashatu twinemu emboga zijiremo ubwinji, kandi emboga nizirenginga kurwo mu carrots, ni kurwo mu cabbages, kurwo mu spinach, nko muri kumanya emboga zone ziri kurga kabari okutu bari kutwehuriza. Actually n'ubwiro bwa government ya Amin eri kuza kwatweka twabwo kuja twatwa abahinji b'emboga munonga, emboga cooperatives zikazivire mu endeje zirijana mu kwende emboga zira zitwara hera. So nabwo eco kutubazire twashanga ebe bintu wayama abantu ezisete ziri kwija kabari kubigura hati kuzirabe zitijire ngo abantu bazitunge zibase kuba yamba umukora imirimo yabo nibeje ku government iri muneta mushi icyo kwenda kuturetera habwo kuba amatego nka gutubazire agana gutubazire agari ko ahadayari abantu bari kutomu dayari amata gutukuzo tukajya ngo ahadayari jahija amateri izobaga ahahija haga ago tukashanga gari kuba mate garingana litazo umutwaro gumwe ceka buri izoba umutwaro gumwe ceka tukagubara ma price ya kabari ko kuturukuza amate twashanga zi billions 5 obumbi butano na millions 800. Izo nesete eziba farmers abari mu ryo gw'umwanya muke okuba ezibari kutunga ku mate kushi aba bantu entete bari kutunga kushi kuja neza mate zimwe ni baziguza ababaji abari kubaga ago kwari abantu abari kutura mu town abari kurye sete abari kwende byo kurya kuza kurya katare bakarara bari kandi abantu mu town abenji ni mani barye nyama kandi kabare town ngo kuri kuza kwa state town impango iri kwende byo kurya binji byo kurangwa abantu batu. So enyama yonke y'abantu bari kuryo muri kabare kutwaje kubara umunte zeitu eziri kugama ko twantuza twachikoze research itekeri kugira ngo tuzabuca tubabuze ni mu bagente zinga bajyane babagente 25 mu izoba konka ente 20 nituzigura mu mafamu ga kuno ente 5 nizikwa nizo ziruga ahiru ya kabare. So twashanga